travels, and for this video we are going to talk about your proof of economic ties. So what binds you to your country of residence? Are you ready? Let's start. Your Schengen visa application is assessed based on the stability of your one socioeconomic situation, stability of your employment, your financial situation, and your integration to the country. I'll be presenting a non-exhaustive list of documents that you can submit as proof of your employment, proof of real estate properties that you might have, proof of integration in your country of residence, and or proof of studies, whichever document would apply to you. First part, let's discuss the specific documents that you can present as proof of your employment. 1. Provide a certificate of employment with compensation. Make sure it indicates your job description, your start date in the company, and your monthly or annual compensation, and it is signed by your company's authorized representative. 2. An approved leave of absence. This document should include the cover dates of your approved leaves or travel dates. Make sure again that it is signed by your authorized representative and that it is within the bounds of your signed contract. Next, a no objection certificate. I think this particular document is a must for longer stays. Once more, it should be signed by your authorized representative and should be printed in your company letterhead. Next up would be the income tax returns. So this particular document proves that you are a bona fide taxpayer in your country and that you are a law-abiding citizen. Fifth one would be payment or salary statements. So I think this is not a mandatory requirement if your certificate of employment already has the compensation indicated. Lastly, as proof of your employment, you can submit a copy of your professional license if you are self-employed and a practicing professional. Proof of real estate properties. Having real estate property is a good proof of your economic ties to the country. Now, this will only be good if the property is under your name. If the property is under the name of a different individual, it will have no bearing with your application. You can submit the following documents as proof of real estate properties. So, land title, deed of absolute sale, transfer certificate of title. Last one, a notarized rental contract. I've included this one because you can submit this as proof that you have a home to return to and you have an obligation to pay a monthly rent. So I've included this one as proof of real estate properties even if the property is technically not under your name. For proof of integration, there are only two that I was able to find in the Schengen Visa Handbook. It shows how integrated you are in the country where you are residing. So number one would be your family ties. So if you are married or if you have kids, then include a copy of your marriage certificate or a copy of the birth certificates of your children. Next, your professional status in the country where you are residing. So refer to the documents that I have given for proof of employment. If you are a student, you would need to show the following documents as proof that you are currently studying or currently enrolled for a particular course or studies. So number one, an enrollment certificate. 2, if you have this one, you can include it as well. So a student ID card. 3, certificate of leave of absence if your travel dates fall within the school days. And 4, a no objection certificate if you will be traveling for longer number of days and it falls within the school year. These are the different documents that you can include with your application as proof of your economic ties to the country. One travel tip that I could give is for you to make sure that you organize your documents according to the checklist. Make sure that all your proof of economic ties are together, all of your proof of means of subsistence are also together so that the visa officer will not have a hard time looking for those documents. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.